If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Warren Buffett said that, and in 2025, it is more true than ever. Most people trade their time for money. You work 1 hour, you get paid for 1 hour. But what happens if you get sick? Or if you want to take a month off? The money stops. That is the trap. Today I am going to show you 7 proven passive income streams that are working right now. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. These are wealth-building systems. Let's get into it. Number 1 is the classic, dividend stocks. When you buy a share of a company, you become a partial owner. Companies like Coca-Cola or McDonald's pay their owners a portion of their profits every 3 months. This is called a dividend. You don't have to do anything. You just hold the stock, and the check arrives. It's not flashy, but it is consistent. Number 2 is the easiest on this list, a high-yield savings account. Most of you are losing money because your traditional bank pays you 0.01% interest. Inflation is eating your cash. Online banks right now are offering 4% to 5% interest just to hold your money. If you have $10,000 in savings, a regular bank pays you $1 a year. A high-yield account pays you $500 a year for doing absolutely nothing. Move your money today. Number 3 requires work once, but pays you forever. Digital products. This could be an ebook, a template, or a checklist. Let's say you are good at organizing. You create a budget spreadsheet in Excel, you put it on Etsy for $5, you make it once, but 1,000 people can buy it. That is $5,000 in profit, and you never have to ship a box or buy inventory. Number 4. You think you need millions to buy real estate? You don't. This is 2025. You can use real estate investment trusts, or REIs. These are companies that own office buildings, apartments, and malls. You can buy shares of them on the stock market for as little as $100. They collect the rent from tenants, and they are required by law to pay out 90% of their taxable income to shareholders like you. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. This is how the internet runs. You recommend a product, and if someone buys it through your link, you get a commission. You don't own the product. You don't deal with customer service. You just connect the buyer to the seller. Amazon Associates is the best place to start. Review books, tech, or home gear, and put the links in your content.
Number 6 is print on demand. You upload a design to a site like Redbubble or Teespring. If a customer likes your design on a t-shirt, they buy it. The website prints the shirt, ships the shirt, and handles the return. You just collect the royalty. You have zero risk because you don't buy the t-shirts up front. And number 7, the ultimate wealth builder. Index funds. Instead of trying to pick the winning stock, you buy the whole market. An S&P 500 fund buys the top 500 companies in America. If the economy grows, you grow. Historically, this returns about 10% per year on average. It is the strategy recommended by the world's smartest investors. Passive income isn't magic. It's about detaching your money from your time. Start with one of these today, even if it's just moving your savings to a better bank account. Don't wait.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more financial education.